In this lecture, we are going to study the different classes of IPv4 address. In the last lecture, you studied what is exactly an IP address and the two types of IP addresses, namely IP version 4 and IP version 6. So, let us begin with the 5 classes of IPv4 addresses. IP address is an address having information about how to reach a specific host, especially outside the LAN, that is a local area network. An IP address is a 32-bit unique address having an address space of 2 raised to 32 bits. So it is a long IP address. Generally, there are two notations in which an IP address is written, dotted decimals and hexadecimal. So you can see here, this is dotted decimal 126.255.255.254. Some points that need to be noted about dotted decimal notation are the value of any segment is between 0 to 255 since these are 4 octets and each octet has 8 bits, so the maximum value is 256. That means 0 to 255 value. There are no zeros preceding the value in any segment. For example, since the maximum value is 126, this is an example, since the maximum value is 126, and if you want to write 54.255.255.254, you cannot write 054. That is wrong. So let us begin with the classful addressing. The 32-bit IP address is divided into 5 subclasses. These are class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. You can see there are 4 octets. One octet is 8 bits, that is byte 1. Therefore, this is a 4-byte IP address or 32-bit IP address. Each of these classes has a valid range of IP addresses. Class D and Class E are reserved for multicast and experimental purposes. The order of bits in the first octet determine the class of IP address. Now, an IP address is broadly divided into two types, network ID and host ID. The class of IP address is used to determine the bits used for network ID and host ID and the number of total networks and each host possible in that particular class. So depending upon the network ID, the number of hosts and the number of networks are determined in a particular range. Note that IP addresses are globally managed by Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, that is IANA, and Regional Internet Registries, that is RIR. While finding the total number of host IP addresses, two IP addresses are not counted and are therefore decreased from the total count because the first IP address of any network is the network number, whereas the last IP address is reserved for broadcast IP. This is an important point. For example, in class A, if the maximum value is 256, that means there are 256 number of IP addresses available. Two IP addresses need to be subtracted because those are reserved for special purposes. In the next lecture, we will see in depth what are class A, class B, class C, class D and class E IP addresses.